If you're like me, you prefer having the structured view be the default view type on your bill of materials instead of the flattened view in an Onshape assembly. To get this to occur, all you have to do is create a template and set the template to choose the default BOM type, whether it be structured or flattened. And when you use Onshape for the first time, you will get the Onshape default BOM, which looks like this, which is item number, quantity, part number, description. However, the name is something I really like to show instead of the description inside of a bill of materials. Because Onshape has automatic part numbering capability, I tend to not use the description field as much. Also note that Onshape has the ability to set these things across a company level. So in Onshape, in your enterprise settings, you will notice under preferences the ability to set the default BOM. So for assemblies, every time you have a blank assembly, you're going to be able to have one of these as the default BOM templates. You also can create BOM templates from this administrator tool. You can also do it inside of your actual Onshape assembly if you're an administrator. All right. Let's apply one of our BOM templates that we have created in the administration tool, formatted exactly the way I want to see it by default every time. I get a structured view of my BOM with mass, material, and category, which is excellent because you can sort by category and other things. But category is an excellent one to sort by because now I can sort by commercial off-the-shelf parts or injection molded parts. And you can see that the default order is what shows in the tree. So an up arrow is ascending, down arrow is descending, and no arrow is just following the assembly tree. Sorting on part number is a great way to get parts to show up properly in the right order on your drawing as well. In your company settings, you can give aliases to the names of your BOM fields. So that's why mine shows as SKU, stock keeper unit, instead of part number. It's just a personal preference for me. But that's all I have to do is just set the alias on that one right there. You can see display name is what I'm referring to as alias. So that's why you see it right there. All right. So different types of BOMs that are nice to show. Here is a purchasing BOM showing cost and supplier, as well as material codes and maturity. Maybe you want a shipping or logistics BOM to help you decide what boxes and shipping processes you'll need to be involved with. Here we have a custom commuted property that I've added to my Onshape account. And the bill of materials will sort whether I have large, medium, or small components. That's all handled inside of the Onshape administration section as well. I have a property here called shipping size that I've added to Onshape, and this is a computed part property that works on assemblies, machined parts, and parts. And that's just a computed property right there. And you can see what it's pointing to right here is this particular function. This is feature script, and you can see it's not very much code to just say between these ranges of values, return small, medium, or large. So that's all it takes, really, to get that type of property inside a bill of materials for everybody in your company. If you want to save the bill of materials template the way you've created it here, just click the ellipses right here in the bill of materials if you're an admin and choose save. And of course, you can modify the BOM type right here, which is the whole point of this tech tip. Do you want a flattened BOM or do you want a structured BOM by default? All this other stuff is just gravy, of course. Here, you can change the bill of materials directly from your drawing as well. The templates are all available and will respect all of the properties, that you've set previously. And I'll just clean it up like that. So that's it. That is the Onshape bill of materials default choices in a nutshell.